Howdy, this is Bubba back with another Dollywood video. This is one, honestly, I'm not very excited to talk about because it's probably going to be a little controversial. And that is a video about Dollywood and kind of how they kind of done catering toward the older generation with some of their recent moves. So we're going to talk about that. Again, try to keep this 5-6 minute range. If you know, to me, what has always set Dollywood apart is that the older generation, I don't know if I should put an age number on there, maybe 60 plus, and even sure somebody like me who's in their 40s, but is sort of an old soul as well. They've always had a lot of stuff to do for the older generation, and it feels like with Dollywood's recent moves, they kind of only seem to be catering toward the kids. So that's kind of what this video is about. If you look at typically, when you're talking about Dollywood, your smaller kids will be at Country Fair or Wildwood Grove. Your teenagers are, again, this is generally speaking, I know there's outliers. Your teenagers are probably only there for your bigger roller coasters. Your people in your 30s or 40s are probably going to be with their kids. And then, your 60 plus people are more there for shows. So in general, that's kind of how things do. Maybe if you have kids, you catch a show, maybe two or something like that. But in generally speaking, your younger crowds are mostly there for rides. They've made some changes. This is mostly talking about the initial festival, the I Always Love You festival. They've made a lot of changes I personally do not like at all. So that's kind of what this is about. They've added 2 shows, the Moto Motion Freestyle Showdown. They've added the Outrageous show. So that's kind of the 2 specific ones. Take a look at some of their shows that they've added in the past. You have like the Imagination Playhouse shows and stuff like that that they've did. Of course, there are some shows that are more, I would consider, for all ages of people, like the Sing Along show and the Heidi Part and things like that, maybe. But in this initial festival, the Kingdom Airs are not there, which I did a video on that a couple weeks ago. Wild Roots is not there. And then 3 Times a Lady is not there as well. So those are all 3 shows that are geared more toward your older audience. And now they're not there, and they've replaced them with shows more geared toward kids. Again, From the Heart is another one that I would say is for all audiences of people. So that is a good one that they've added a couple years ago. There are still some shows there that the older people will like, but there's honestly not enough there that will probably keep you at the park all day. You do have the string band is still there, Heidi Part is still there, the Sing Along, I would probably consider that an all audience type show, but it feels like all the attention and focus on Dollywood is for the kids and the younger people. I'm not against kids, obviously, but don't have kids. But, when you take away the shows for the older generation, those people aren't typically riding rides. Maybe they're watching family members that have like grandkids or something like that. They're there. But in general, if you take away shows for them, they don't have as much stuff to do there. You're probably talking half a day at best, whereas the kids are going to be riding, the family is going to be focused on rides. Maybe they catch a show to get out of the heat or something like that, but so it feels like their attention is going only to where they are trying to keep the families and the kids happy, and they are sacrificing the older generations. So that's personally a change I do not like. On the fence about whether or not I'm going to go to the initial festival or not because of this reason. So, let me know what you think. If I'm totally off basis, you can yell at me in the comments and all that good stuff. But yeah, I just, that's a trend that I'm seeing. and I don't like where Dollywood is headed to that. I know the family's important, and I love that Dollywood's a family theme park, but we don't want to just be focusing on the kids. We got to have something for the older generation to do as well.